So this is a quick video about what I basically call Clipboard Electronics. And that's going to be the name of a series of videos that I'm going to do about how to do electronic projects like this. Now, my favorite way of organizing things that does not get in my way and actually makes development more convenient is to basically paste everything onto a clipboard like you can see here. So this right here is a finished product. This is basically done. And this is ready to be prototyped up onto a board and everything. But it's convenient that I can just basically pick that whole thing up, right? Since I'm done with this, I need this off the bench and out of the way so I can look at other things. I can take this entire project without disassembling anything, and I can put it wherever I need to get it out of the way. That's one huge advantage of this system, is that your project becomes something you can move around. When you need to program your Arduino, maybe you have your computer somewhere else, this is also very convenient because you're not carrying a jumble of wires and a bunch of different parts and trying to manage that in your hands while you plug it into your computer to upload your code. So I really want to encourage people to go ahead and buy a few of these clipboards. And I like these plastic ones, and I like these sort of fiberboard ones as well. But these are very cheap. You can get a 5-pack of these for like 10 bucks. So they're like $2 or $1 each. If you buy enough of them, you can get them really, really cheap. But they're non-conductive, so they're fine for electronic stuff, except for this piece here, you know, and you're going to want to make sure you keep your batteries away from that, you know. Don't be tripping batteries up against that. But aside from that, you know, it has this hanger, so I can hang this all up on the wall if I really wanted to get it out of the way. You can obviously stick anything you want to down onto your clipboard. So, you know, I stick my Arduinos, my breadboards, some of my components, like this motion sensor is taped down because it has some long wires on it. Same thing with this one. This 9-volt battery is basically stuck on there, so I can't lose it. Right? How often are you working on a microcontroller project and you're like, where the hell did I put my battery? Not going to happen with this. This project is ready to go anytime I want to start working on it. Right? I plug it in, takes a minute for the board to initialize, and it starts working. So I can play around with this, and I don't have to do any setup. Just pull this off the shelf and go. So I'm going to do a whole series of videos where I tell you how to organize and plan your projects. But I wanted to start with just this simple one because I think starting from a good basis and a good approach is critical when you're doing microcontroller projects and any other electronic project like this.